Let me share a story with you. This story is about talents. This story is inspired by the great motivational speaker Jim Rohn. In ancient times, there was a master who had 3 servants, and he gave his servants different talents. At that time, talents जो होते थे, they were very very precious. Talents were considered as equivalent to gold. So the first servant got 5 talents, and the master told him to do something with those talents. The second servant got 2, and the third servant got only 1 talent. Then the master went away. When he came back from the journey, he asked each of the servants what they did with those talents. जो पहला सर्वेंट था उसने कहा कि मैंने उन टैलेंट्स को डबल कर दिया, मैंने उनको शेयर किया लोगों के साथ, और वो 5 से 10 हो गए. इस बात पर जो मास्टर थे, he became really really happy. And the second servant said that he did the same. He doubled those talents from 2 to 4. The master said, well done. Now the third servant, when asked what he did with those talents, he said that I had only 1 talent. मैंने उसको cover किया, carefully उसको wrap किया, और मैंने जो है उसको सैंड के अंदर बरी कर दिया, उसको दबा दिया. मुझे पता था कि कोई भी वहाँ से उसको नहीं चुरा सकता, और अब मैं उसको आज लेकर आया हूँ. Safe with me, take it back. The master, when heard this, said, take this talent away from the servant. जब आप ये स्टोरी सुनेंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि जो थर्ड सर्वेंट है उसके साथ जस्टिस नहीं हुआ. But this is the whole concept of the story. The whole concept of the story is कि जो टैलेंट होते हैं, जो अल्लाह ताला ने हमें एक गिफ्ट दिया होता है, जिसमें द इनबॉर्न गिफ्ट एंड टैलेंट, जो कि अल्लाह ताला ने सबको दिया होता है, उसको हमें यूज़ करना चाहिए, हमें उसकी कदर करनी चाहिए. Because whatever you don't use in life, you are going to ultimately lose it. जब आप अपनी नेमतों का शुक्र अदा नहीं करेंगे तो आप अपनी नेमतों को खो देंगे. टैलेंट भी एक नेमत है, आपका जो पोटेंशियल है एक गिफ्ट है जो अल्लाह ने आपको दिया है. इसको यूज़ करें इंसानों की बेहतरी के लिए, इसको यूज़ करें सोसाइटी में कंट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए. अल्लाह ताला ने आपको इतनी ज़्यादा एनर्जी दी है, वाइटैलिटी दी है. अल्लाह ने आपको बेशुमार गिफ्ट से नवाजा है. तमाम गिफ्ट्स और पोटेंशियल्स को यूज़ करना सीखें. आपके अंदर अगर एम्बिशन है, अगर वो आप यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, इट विल डिमिनिश. If you don't use your energy, if you don't use your vitality, it is going to diminish. This is the law of nature. If you don't use your strong feelings, if you don't express your love, your passion, your strong feelings for the betterment of humanity, all those feelings are going to diminish. If you don't use your faith, if you don't use your belief, it's going to diminish. So use everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed you with. If you don't use your time for today, then today unused is going to be lost. So make sure that all the faith that you possess, all the courage, all the talents, all the potential, all the energy, the vitality, the strong feelings, the passion, the love, the gifts, the talents, the faith, that everything is being used for the betterment of humanity. Be grateful and share your talents with the world. You are so powerful. You are so precious. Use your gifts for the betterment of humanity. Be grateful for your gifts and use them for the betterment and for the positive contribution for the humanity.